Hello everyone, apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it, and the top of the middle section make a ponytail, split them into two, and have braided. Then the portion of the hair right next to it, have another ponytail, and have another one, the portion of that right next to that, and have it attached to left braid, and have the right braid attached to the remaining ponytail braided. A ponytail converted into a thicker braid. Apply some hair wax onto your hair and comb it and make a lovely ponytail and split the tail into two parts and have the bottom section into two and have it tied in front of the top section with a rubber band. Then stretch them one for volume. Then after that do the same as we did before continuously until you reach the bottom part of your hair. Then after that have a loop in the bottom one and drop the tip into it making a bell shape and attach it to the last loop of the rubber band. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher in the middle of the braids. Simple braid with bow tie. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it, and have the front of it a ponytail and drop it into its own loop, making a twisted band by using a head loop. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher that has ribbons which has been already made into a bow tie and braid it along with your hair by borrowing excessive hair from the sides, making the ridges visible. Now continue doing it until you empty all the hair, even at the back section as well. Then after that, once when you do the braiding, have the end secure with the rubber band. Continue to braid as normal as you would do after emptying every hair. If you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairpin. Choose lovely pairs of elastic rubber band and have it tied around the bottom section of the hair, making a lovely ponytail. Then have the tail split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. You know how it braid? Have a little strip of hair borrowed from each section and have it go to the other side and make it alternatively. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have a bell shape at the bottom by dropping the tail into it. Then after that, drop in your favorite hair clutcher at the bottom of the ponytail, decorating it even more further. A heart-shaped lump in the middle of a bun. Apply some hair wax onto your entire hair and comb it nicely until the wax is being evenly spread. Then make a ponytail out of it, then split the tail into two parts and have a top one a ponytail and have a rubber band attached to it and create a loop and drop the tail into it and make the entire back section into two parts and have it come to the front and have it tie with another rubber band and drop it inside from bottom to top, making another twisted band. Then scrunch it to the top, making a lump and secure with a little rubber band. Have another rubber band in the middle section of the tail and create a loop and drop the tail into it and make the entire loop come around the lump we created and split the tail into two and have it come around underneath the bun and have it hidden completely underneath by twisting it over. Then after that, if you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairpin of course if you want it. Apply some hair wax and make a lovely ponytail out of your gorgeous hair, and with the last loop of the rubber band create a big lump. Then choose a fluffy rubber band of your collection and have a gap created behind it using your finger and drop the entire tail along with the lump we created into it. Continue stuffing it until you have a very big lump in a spear shape. Then hold it and tie it with the rubber band, securing it completely. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher right underneath the bun at the bottom of your hair. Apply some hair wax onto your ponytail and insert a very long bun maker behind your ponytail and twist the entire tail onto it and swirl it in a clockwise manner and continue swirling it until you get a smooth bun. And empty the hair and also hide the excessive part of the bun maker right underneath the bun and adjust a pretty tip. Choose a hairband that has artificial hair which has been already braided and also colored at the end and tie underneath your ponytail. It's very easy, you can wear it on the go. Thank you everyone for watching this video.